40 roll. What's up YouTube? This is your boy Thru Charlie once again with another video for you guys. But before we start, I gotta say this video is a week late because the first video was shitty. You're gonna see in a second now. What's up YouTube? This is your boy Thru Charlie back with another video for you guys. This is part. Alright guys, you guys saw the shitty video, but you know what? Let's get back to the video for you guys. Today's video is gonna be about my Z once again, but it's gonna be a review on a Z. But the only thing is it a good car, reliable car, or is it a good daily car? You guys are gonna find out at the end of the video those answers. But let's get to a different spot. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm back, and you know what guys, I was going to take you to a very different spot, but there was a lot of construction going on there and a lot of noise, and I couldn't have that for you guys. So I'm back to one of the first spots I went to my first videos, Vista View Park, and you guys can see it's a nice sunny day. Before we continue the video for you guys, so I'm just gonna leave it like this: go like and subscribe my channel, and leave some comments if whatever future videos you guys want to see. You guys leave in the comments and I'll get to them. And follow me on IG, Z34_Charlie. I'm there, I'm active there a lot. You guys can leave comments there, messages, whatever you guys want. But let's continue the video. All right, so you guys can see my Z's behind me in the video. It's about the Z review. And the first video I was doing for you guys, you saw the clip earlier. It was horrible audio. I'm never going to do that ever again unless I have a mic, and I'm gonna have a mic for you guys in future videos. It sounded so bad, and like literally 5 to 10 minutes into the video editing, I got a headache, and I was like, no, there's no way. If I got a headache, there's no way I'm gonna let you guys watch this video. It was so bad. You guys saw that small clip. It was horrible. But anyways, so like I was saying, back to the Z review. First thing first, is it a good car? Yes, it is a good car, but is it a really good car? And yes, it is a really good car. I have this car for 6 years and it's still going on, and you know what? I have no regret getting this car. It's been good to me since day one, and 6-speed manual car for me all day, and it handles great, and I'm just gonna say it's a great car. It's not a good car, it's a great car. I have no issues with it. I drive it every single day, and it's fast, it's good at handling, and has decent torque. But overall, it's a great car, and I never had an issue with it, really, any issues with it. Just some issues, I'll tell you guys in a second. But overall, what can I say for you guys? It's a good car. Can't complain about it. And you know, it's my everyday car, but it's a good car. And let's get to the next one. It's a reliable car. Is it guys? Yes, it's a reliable car. I had it for, like I said, 6 years. I'm going to keep saying 6 years a lot. Oh no guys, it's not 6 years, it's 7 years. My math is wrong. 7 years guys. Wow, 7 years. 7 years with the car. And yes, it's a reliable car, and I can't say, what can I say about the Z being reliable? Literally, it broke down twice on me, only twice. Like I was saying, I drive it every single day, and I work about 25 miles away, so 25 miles there, 25 miles back. That's a daily drive, 3 to 4 times a week. and that is my daily driven car. Yes, it's a reliable car, and like I said, it broke down twice on me. One, it was a battery issue. It didn't start one day. I was like, what the fuck? I didn't start? What's wrong with it? Like, it was dumb. I fixed it real quick the same day, no issue. And then second time it broke down, it was a radiator issue, and yo, it was just dumb. It started leaking, and I drove with a battery radiator for a while because the part wasn't coming in. It took about a month to come in, but overall, it was a battery radiator. It got fixed. No issues with it since then. It doesn't overheat, and like I was saying, it's a good, reliable car. The only thing I was going to say to you guys about being a reliable car, it's a must get. It's an oil cooler. I have an oil cooler from Z1. Hands down, it's a must needed item for your Z's, especially 370Zs. They get hot real quick. But since I already got the oil cooler, it's a lifesaver. Like I was saying in my last video, my oil temps is always reading under less 180, but I run it hard, it gets up to like 190, and it's great. I have no issues with it. So besides that, it's a reliable car, yes. And like I was saying, I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was a weird ass noise. Oh, yeah, that's a weird noise going on over there. So anyways, yes, it's a reliable car. Like I say, it only broke down 2 times on me, and yes, it's a reliable car. I have it to my status, my likings, and let's get to the next part. It's a good daily car. It's a daily car. It's a 370Z, a daily car. Yes, it is. Yes, it's a daily car. You know why I'm gonna say it's a daily car? Because I drive it for the last 7 years. Last 7 years, and the car is 10 years old. That says a lot. And it's a good daily car. Yes, it's always based on one big factor why it makes it a big daily car. Good daily car. It's preference, guys. It's always preference. Everybody has their own likings and dislikes, and all my likings are into this 370Z. The last 7 years, I've been driving it. It's all preference. I like my 2-seat car, no back seats, all that rearward drive, 6-shift. That's what makes it a good daily car in my book. Like, if I tell you guys to drive my Z and you guys driving, like, oh, it's nice, but will you guys like as a daily driver? Most of you guys will say yes and no's, and that's all. Like I was saying, it's preference. So, in my book, it is a good daily car, and I drive it every single day. Almost full bolt on mods, but I'm missing 1 or 2 mods, but that's not a big deal. But it's, yes, like I was saying, it's in my liking, my style of my Z. Like, it's my style, and like I was saying, it's a good car. It's a good daily car. Like, I do my grocery shopping. If I pick up people from the airport. Like what I was saying, guys, it's a good daily car. I can't complain about being a good daily car. I have no negative comments about being a daily car. It's just maybe just one thing. Just one thing. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it for you guys. One bad thing I'll say, it is trunk space. There's not much trunk space in there, but like I was saying, what was I saying earlier? I don't know if I was saying it earlier, but anyways, no trunk space. I put everything in my front seat, groceries, luggage, anything. Like I was saying, it's a good car, good daily car. And so, preference, the 370Z in my preference is a good daily car. I don't know if for you guys, leave in the comments what's considered a good daily car. I'm looking forward for those answers. I'm really curious what they are. So, daily car, my Z, guys, my Z. And yes, I daily it every single day, and I have no complaint about it, except for trunk space. I hit the main factors I was saying in my little review. It's a good car, yes. It's a good, reliable car, yes. And it's a good daily car, and yes, they're all yeses for me in the Z. I have no problem with my 370Z platform. It's great. I have no complaints. I'm trying to end the video for you guys. So before I end the video, don't forget, like and subscribe my channel. You guys follow me on IG. I'll leave my link on the description. So anyways, before anything, yes, it's a good car. Yes, it's a good, reliable car. And yes, it's a good daily car. And yes, they're all yeses in my book. And these are my little review on my Z. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm not gonna say you guys are gonna like it. It's a good daily car. Depends on preference, like I was saying earlier. But anyways, future videos, I have something coming up for you guys. Might be a surprise, but I'll have it ready for you guys next week, and I'll see you guys later. All right, 40 roll.